Hey, this is Mr. Jarvis, and people seem to get this pretty well in class, so I'm going to go pretty quickly. So we'll start with number 4. I looked at this too quickly, and I thought, okay, 32. Cameron's buying tickets for himself and 3 friends. He spent $32. I began to think of dividing 32 by 3, but it's Cameron and 3 friends, so it's 4. So every 4 tickets is $32. You could do like a ratio table and just kind of bring it down. So it's one, or the way I do it is just divide. So I know we could do we've kind of been doing these with ratio tables. So I could say, half and then 16 and then half it again. So every 1 ticket costs $8. I just look at it and think, okay, I got 32 divided by 4 people. 32 divided by 4, and I know that that's 8. So just a couple of ways of doing that. And I know people have the methods that they prefer, so either one of those ways works. This one is a little trickier. We had 1,500 gallons. A fire hydrant puts out 1,500 or 1,500 gallons per minute. How many gallons per second? So we need to divide this by 60. So I always think of dividing. So, or you can think of it as for every 60 seconds, it puts out 1,500. And we could do the ratio table, or you could think of it as division, which is my preferred method, 1,500 divided by 60. So I know 60 goes into 150 like 2 times, and I'd get 120. And I had a remainder of 30, and I could bring down this 0. And then this would be 300 divided by 60 would be 5. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 60 is 300. So 5. So this is 25 gallons per second. Okay, so that little trickier than, the ratio table I could have worked to. I could have halved it and kept having it and slicing it down until I got down to 1. I like to use the division method myself. So Tessa spent $22 on 11 songs. How much did each song cost? So that's pretty simple. I'm just going to divide it. I'm going to use my division method. And it's 2. 2 times 11 is 22. I ran to a 0, so it's $2 per song. So 2 times 11 is 22. So that kind of works out. That one's pretty easy. Other people kind of rip through this pretty quickly. So math today was pretty easy. We're gonna have our test coming up, and there'll be a couple questions on finding a unit, the rate per amount per unit on stuff like this. So I want to have a little bit of review. I didn't think the book gave us a whole lot of review on that. So hopefully this helps. I think you guys found it mostly pretty simple, especially if you know those math facts really well. So hopefully it all went well, and good luck with it. Have a great evening.